Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see, I am in my home screen and I see 5:54 p.m. So in case I want to make it 17 instead of 5 p.m, what I want to do while I am in my home screen, in case you are not in your home screen, press the mode button until you arrive at your home screen. So go past the third alarm and then we are going to arrive in our home screen. Here we are going to press and hold the set recall button. We are going to then press the mode button, go past the setting of time and date and the year, and then we are going to arrive right here where we can switch between 12-hour display and 24-hour display. If I press the start split button, it is going to switch to 24, again to 12, 24, and I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to press the set recall button in order to save the changes. Now as you can see, instead of 5 p.m. I have 17:55. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Timex Ironman Triathlon, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Also guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.